There he is. Oh, good fish. Good fish. On a jerkbait. Good largemouth. Good largemouth on the jerkbait, guys. Smashed it. Way to start it off, using that Berkeley Stunner shallow bill on it. About 3 pounds probably. Hey bud. Yeah, probably about the 3rd or 4th cast with that thing. I think I can catch some good fish on it today. Might be not a lot of bites, but I think I can get some good ones. Hopefully we can catch some more on it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come up at the boat and try to get it. There he is. Oh, good fish too. Golly. That's a good fish. Come off. Why in the world he come off? 3 treble hooks, but he come off. Smoked it. I mean, smoked that thing. The hooks are sharp. Right at the boat. He hit it right at the boat. About to lift the bait up out of the water. I missed one earlier picking it up out of the water. I want to come up and hit at it. two and missed two on a stun. I think I'll hit it if I can get it around them. Gotta battle this wind though, it's windy. It is windy for sure. Right at the boat. Right at the boat. Good fish too. He hit it real close to the boat. Another good one. On that stunner, guys. Little guy, caught him off that boat ramp over there. He smashed that thing pretty hard to be small as he was. Thought it was a good one. He smashed it though. He was over on that boat ramp, right on the edge of it. Sometimes they'll get under them edge of them boat ramps where the gravel and stuff's washed out on the side of it. They'll lay up under them. I always throw down the side of them. Good fish too, he come off. Pretty good largemouth. There he is. Oh, how big he is. Oh, he's decent size. He's not as big as I thought. He absolutely smoked that thing. Chrome and blue rattle trap. Quit biting that jerkbait. A little small largemouth. Man, he hit that thing hard. Hey, buddy. He smashed that thing. I thought that was a big fish. I think I hit some brush right before he hit it. Made him feel a little bigger than he was. Yeah, they quit hitting that jerkbait. I hadn't had any more bites on it, so I started throwing a rattle trap. Rattle trap. Small guy. A chrome and blue rattle trap. Get it around one. They hitting it hard, even them small ones. Hit it pretty good. A little small guy, that rattle trap. Come through this area earlier today and didn't get a bite. We're pulling water now, so maybe there's some fish in here. Hopefully, more than him. There he is. Get right at the boat. He hit it right at the boat. Thumped it pretty hard for a little guy. There he is. It might be a little better one. Not big, but I think it's bigger than what I just caught. Oh yeah. Yes sir. I'll get him in. Yep. Come on. Not a giant, but he's bigger than them last two. Pail. threw it way out there, about 2 or 3 cranks, seemed like. He was on there. He smashed it too. Pulling water now. These fish get in here and group up when they pull water. Didn't get a bite earlier. They wasn't generating. A few of them get stacked up in here when they pull water. There he is. Feels like a good one. Oh, me. Coming right toward me. He's a decent fish. Might be the biggest one of the day. Yeah. Thought he was bigger than what he is, but might be the biggest one of the day besides that other one I caught on that jerkbait this morning. On the rattle trap. Smashed it. He smashed it good. Felt good. There he is. Not big. Spotted bass. Pretty little guy. He thumped it. He thumped it hard too. Alright, that's gonna do it, guys. Back at home in the warmth of the house. Been out in that cold wind fishing, and it was pretty cold today, just like the other day. It was strong winds and cold weather. High wasn't but about 45, and it was just cold. But another successful day out on the water. Had a great day, caught a ton of fish. Started out with a jerkbait early, and caught a bunch of fish on it. Probably the biggest one come on the jerkbait, about 3.5 pounds. And that bite kind of died off, so I went to the rattle trap and caught a ton of fish on it also. Another pretty good one, probably about 3 pounds. Rest of them kind of small, but just caught a ton of fish today. Had a great day out on the water, even though the weather wasn't too good. That's gonna do it. I appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you out on the water.